Hi, this is Nageshwari from RMT College of Engineering and Technology. So in this video, we are going to see about 8 puzzle problem that is a famous problem in AI. So the subject is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So we can approach this 8 puzzle problem by using the earliest method, that is heuristic search problem. So usually in heuristic search problem, we are having 5 different steps to follow. The first one is initial state. Always the initial stage should be there, and the next one is what are the actions we can follow to achieve the final goal. Okay, so that is the second step. And the third one is transition model. So transition model means, what are the different approaches we are making to achieve the goal. So that is the transition model. And the final one is goal test, and the final one is path cost. So path cost is nothing but the way how we are approaching the path, the way how we are achieving the final goal, how we are reaching the final goal. So that is nothing but the path cost. So these are the 5 important steps to remember for any kind of heuristic search problem. So now let us see how to solve this 8 puzzle problem. Okay, so it's like a 8-tile problem also. So it is also called as 8-tile problem. Okay, now I am assuming my initial state is this one. That is, this is my initial state. So 1, 2, 3, 4, in between empty, and 5, 7, 8, 6. So this is my initial state. Okay, so I want to achieve the final goal as this one. So I want to achieve my final goal as this one. That is my goal. Once again, I will take this. Okay. So this is the final goal state. I want to reach initial state to these final goal state. Okay, so this is the initial state, and I want to reach this final goal state. This is the problem. So how to solve this problem? So let's check. So for solving these kind of problems, so we must understand what are the actions we are following. That is the first one. And we need to find out the heuristic. So we are approaching heuristic method, right? So therefore we want to find out the heuristic error. Okay, so after doing all these actions, we want to find out the heuristic error followed by the next step. Okay, so let us start from the initial state. Okay, so I assumed my initial state as this one. Okay, so this is my final goal state, right? Okay, so as I said here, in these kind of problem, there are only 4 kind of actions. That is, so we can move this empty box to the either to the left side, or empty box to the right side, or empty box to the upward direction, and we can move this empty box to the downward direction. So these are only the 4 possible actions we can do to solve this problem. So therefore, now the first step is I am moving this empty box to the left. So if just only, and remember always there is only one step approach in AI. Okay, so I am moving this empty box to the left side. So if you move empty box to the left side, obviously the 4 will come in the middle box, right? Okay, so this is the left movement. Okay, now again, so second step is, so I am moving this empty box to the right side. So obviously 5 will come to the left. So this is the second step. And the third step is I am moving this empty box to the upward direction. So obviously the 2 will come in the down. Okay, then the next one is again I am moving this empty box to the downward direction. So that means the 8 will go up. Okay, so these are the 4 possible combinations. Okay, after finding these 4 steps, now we have to find out the heuristic error. Okay, we want to find out the heuristic error. So how to find out the heuristic error? So that means, so we got these 4 combinations, right? Okay, so compare each combination with that of the goal state. Okay, so compare their positions actually. Okay, compare their positions with that of the goal state. So that means in this goal state, the 1 here also 1, so therefore both are in same position, so it is correct. Then 2 here also 2, both are in same position. 3 here also 3, both are in same position. Okay, here is empty. So if whatever you find, you found the step 1, okay, here you have empty, means we can leave that one. Okay, so we can leave that empty. Now here the position is 4, but here the position is 5. Okay, in this position the number is 5, in this position the number is 4, so therefore there is one error. Okay, so 1. Then next, here the position is, here in this position the number is 5, here the number is 6, so therefore error. So therefore again plus 1. Okay, so 7 here is also 7, correct. 8 here is also 8, correct. But in goal state, if there is an empty box, but here if you have a number, then that is also called as error. Okay, so therefore 1. So obviously 3 errors are there. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1, totally 3 errors in the left position. Now again the right position. So in right position again you compare the positions with that number. Okay, so 1 1 same, 2 2 same, 3 3 position same, 4 same, 5 same. Okay, 6. So whatever the step you found, if it is empty, then we can leave that one. Okay, then 7 7 is there, 8 8 is there, but in goal state you have an empty, but here you have a number. So therefore only one error is there in the right side, right position. Okay, right table. So now do for up. Okay, up position. In up position, that is in up action, so you just find out the how much error is coming. So here the error is 3, and as well as in the down position also the error coming is 3. So therefore left, up, down we are having the error is 3, whereas the right position the error is 1. Okay, so we have to consider the minimum error. Okay, so therefore consider this right position box. Okay, and again do the same method as it is whatever we did in the step 1. Okay, now I have taken the right position table. Okay, and my error, because my error is actually 1. Okay, again you do the 4, we have 4 possible combinations, right, left, right, up, down. Okay, so now here now in this table, here is the empty position. Okay, so therefore I can move this empty to the left side. Okay, then the 5 will come here. So this is the left position, left action box. Okay, now I can't able to move this empty to the right side, right? Okay, so the right is not possible, so therefore we can leave the right action. Okay, right action is not possible at all in this step. Okay, now then again you move this empty to the up direction. Okay, and you move this empty to the down direction. Okay, again you find out the heuristic error. Okay, so if you see in the left action, if you compare this to the goal state, my heuristic error is coming as 2. In up direction, in up action, again the heuristic error is 2, whereas in down action, so my heuristic error is 0, so therefore my goal state is reached. So this is how we can solve the 8 puzzle problem by using the heuristic search algorithm. Thank you.